Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing higher on Thursday, led by shares in healthcare, equipment and services, pharmaceuticals, biotech and life sciences, and retailing sectors. Now, on the economic docket, it was a busy session. Initial jobless claims falling to 267,000 in the week ended May 28th. ADP saying companies adding 173,000 jobs in May, in line with expectations, while advancers, they were ahead of decliners. 68% of SP 500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the market closed, General Mills announcing a voluntary national recall of 4 specific flavors of Nature Valley Protein Chewy Bars and Nature Valley Simple Nut Bars. Also, Delta Airlines and United Continental weighing bids for Avianca Holdings, a Latin America airline exploring strategic options including a full or partial sale. This reported by Bloomberg, citing people familiar with the matter. Moving on, Twitter meeting with management of Yahoo several weeks ago to discuss a possible merger of the companies. This reported by the New York Post. While turning overseas, Asian markets positive today. The Nikkei up just under 0.5%. The Hang Seng up 0.42%. China CSI 300 up 0.7%, while South Korea's Kospi closes the week up 0.04%. European markets are rising, and U.S. futures calling for a positive opening this Friday morning. And in terms of expectations on the earnings front today, there are none because we have a very busy economic docket. 8:30 in the morning, we have April trade balance expected at negative $41 billion. 8:30 in the morning also sees the change in non-farm payrolls and the U.S. unemployment rate expected at 4.9%. 9:45 this morning, May final market U.S. services PMI as well as composite PMI due out, and 10 o'clock this morning we end with May ISM non-manufacturing composite as well as April factory orders and durable goods as well. Now, moving on to the markets, Trading Central sees the SP 500 in a period of further advance. The relative strength index showing upside momentum, so prices breaking above a declining trend line. Long positions above 2086 are favored with targets at 2110 and 2113 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq seeing further upside, preferring long positions above 4,500, and the Dow Jones sees a continuation of the rebound, preferring long positions above 17,700.